everybody, I'm back and I'm gonna do another one of these videos where I just kind of talk to you guys and update you on all kinds of stuff. I just did a video the other day for you all and you really like those videos. So I'm gonna try to do more of these videos where you can, you kind of, I talk about different things that's going on in my life. First of all, let's talk about I cannot believe. How many of you feel the same way? I cannot believe that the new year is here. Like, it seems like the year went by like that, like in a jiffy. It went by so fast. I mean, you couldn't even blink and the year is gone. So happy New Year's to everyone. And I'm going to be praying that each and every one of you all have a blessed new year, a prosperous new year, a happy new year, a successful new year. I'm going to be praying for each and every one of you. I love you guys, like from the bottom of my heart. Like in my mind, you guys are like my family. You guys are my family and you make me so happy. I appreciate every single one of you, everyone that watches, everyone that subscribes and messages me. Some people message me every single day. Now, keep in mind that it's hard for me to message everybody back. Like there's so many people, but I try like an hour out of my day. I try my best to message people back when I can, but I can't always. So just keep that in mind. I know because some people, they get so upset, they get so angry when they see that she didn't message me back. I emailed her and she didn't message me back. Well, not only do I receive a whole lot of messages through YouTube, but I receive tons and tons and tons of emails as well. So, but I try my best to get back to you guys, but if I can't, just forgive me a little bit. Like I'm human and I'm only one person. But getting back to the new year, it is just like, I can't believe it. Now, what I am going to be doing is I'm going to do a couple of videos to get you guys ready for New Year's. So we did Thanksgiving. We did tons and tons and tons of recipes showing you all what you can make for Thanksgiving. We did the same thing for Christmas and we're gonna do the same thing for New Year's. I'm gonna do some pork recipes and of course I'm gonna show you all how to make the most amazing sauerkraut that is so easy. And also, possibly some type of beans or something and maybe a couple of desserts. So get ready for that and make sure that you all have your notification bells on so you can be notified every time Gina Young uploads one of these awesome recipes. Absolutely. So now, everybody is asking me, Gina, what do you do for your face? Well, let's talk about it. Okay, so I was going to a dermatologist and since I have moved, I need to find a new dermatologist and I'm gonna do just that. Because I like to keep up on my skin because honestly, it looks like I have the greatest of the skin, but I don't. I don't. You see makeup. Honestly, I wear makeup and it's true. But I do have to go to a dermatologist to keep up with my skin so that they can tell me, like how my skin is doing. So number one, the first thing that I'm doing, because everybody asks, I drink tons and tons and tons and tons of water. Tons of water. And you can see that I have this glass here and I got a nice chunk of lemon in my water. And my doctor actually told me anytime you're drinking water, put lemon in there. And he said you could do orange if you wanted to switch it up, but put lemon in there. It doesn't matter how sour your water is, put some lemon in there. It's going to hydrate you and just, it's going to help all kinds of stuff and even your organs. So that's the first thing that I do is the water. Number two is I have been using, you all have seen the infomercials late at night when you're sitting up, the Cindy Crawford Meaningful Beauty. I've been using Cindy Crawford's Meaningful Beauty kit and I love it. on my skin. And there is one day I'll bring everything out of my bedroom and show you all exactly what I have. It's like a cleanser, and it doesn't get real sudsy, but it makes your skin nice and soft and supple. I think that's the word I think that's the word I wanted to use. But there is something, I can't even think, what is all in that kit? So there's a moisturizer, there's like something for my eyes, and I really need that for my eyes because my eyes are dark underneath here. And I get bags under my eyes. So I've been using Cindy Crawford's kit. It is expensive, I'm gonna be honest. It's expensive, but doggone it, it works. I can say it works on me at least. I have oily skin. I have oily skin, guys. And I use, the makeup that I use is MAC. So, and then I use this, it's like a perfecting powder. That's what this is here. And I use my beauty blender, and I constantly press on it. And I use that to blot the oil on my face constantly, especially when I'm doing a video, because I don't want to have a shiny face on video, you know. But so I use my MAC concealer, and then I have a MAC powder. And then also, my dermatologist told me to use the CeraVe products to wash my face. So not only am I using the Cindy Crawford Meaningful Beauty stuff to wash my face with, I also use the CeraVe products to wash my face. And I also use Proactive. Proactive has a toner that I love to use. It's a beautiful green color, and it helps to blend your skin, you know, get it all the same tone. And they have a couple other things that I've been using. So that's kind of that. I don't want to spend too much on that, because one day I will do a video and bring everything out so you females can see, and even the males if you wanted to see what I'm using for my face. But those are some of the things: the Proactive, the Cindy Crawford Meaningful Beauty, and CeraVe products on my face, and the makeup is all MAC products. Okay, and so everybody is asking me, Gina, why do the dogs bark at the end of the video? Number one, because they are spoiled rotten. They get a treat after the video if they've been good boys during the video. And I've been doing that since they were this big. I have since the end, you know, I would end the video, and when I say, and as always, God bless you all, thank you all for watching, good night, they freak out because they know it's the end of the video. They do. And they know they're going to get a treat, number one, and they know that we can give them attention. You know, but when we're working, we tell them, sit down. Sit down and be a good boy. You know, they can't be running around because we have lights, camera, action going. You know, we got cords because lights are plugged in and things like that. And we expect them to listen. But as soon as I say good night to everybody, they freak out. So somebody say, is that a cue? Is somebody making them bark? No, they do it on their own. They do. So on Christmas, you all know I fell down the steps, and we'll get to that, guys. On Christmas, I was in a lot of pain, but I wanted to cook. And my husband had already told me, he said, listen, you don't have to cook if you don't want to, because you're in so much pain. He's like, we can get Chinese. And of course that sounded good, but I wanted to cook. You know, I wanted a home cooked meal. I wanted a home cooked dessert. I wanted to bake cookies for Santa Claus and all that good stuff. So I did that. What I did was I pulled me up a chair to that counter. I pulled up a chair to that counter, cooked a homemade meal, made a dessert, and we did cookies for Santa Claus. And I got into bed after that. It was simple. And we all had we had a great holiday. So now I thought Polo was right there. Polo, where are you at, honey? So they can say hi. There's Princey, and he's so sleepy, and he is so adorable. Polo, where are you at, honey? There he is. Can you jump up here? Come here. There he is. Say hi. Look, baby. There he is. Oh, but everybody is asking me, what did Dakota get for Christmas? My goodness, he got so much stuff. Number one, he got a scooter. He got this adult scooter, and it's really, really nice. He got something called drifters, and here's what the drifters are. So look at this. Okay, you see that? Now these are like some new age type stuff. It's like a broken skateboard. Of course, it's two of them, and it's really hefty duty, right? These are heavy. It's like a broken skateboard. You get on these babies. You see, there's nothing to, like, you stand on them and you start drifting. Your feet can go whatever type of way you want to go. You know, if you want to do like this, whatever you want to do, you can go up hills, down hills, but you got to learn how to ride them. So he's in the process of trying to learn how to ride these. There's videos on them, and it looks like so much fun. So I tried them earlier. I know I shouldn't be trying it after just falling down the steps the other day, but I had to jump on it and try it. But it seems like so much fun, and I feel like he's gonna learn it. He also got a hoverboard, and this hoverboard is like one of the best hoverboards that you can get. It is gorgeous, and it has Bluetooth attached. You know, you can do Bluetooth with it, and it has these blue lights, and it's gold. It is just beautiful. It's huge. It's for adults. It's not like one of the little kiddie hoverboards. He got that. He got some puzzles. He got clothes. He got shoes and underclothes, and he got a bunch of fidget spinners that light up, and they're stackable, and there's robot fidget spinners. He got, oh my goodness, he got, what else? He got all kinds of stuff. I can't, what else?
I got an RC car.
Oh, you got a what?
RC car. Bugatti car.
Oh, he got a Bugatti remote control car. He's telling me I got a Bugatti car. He got a Bugatti car, and it's like the cutest thing. So when it's nice out, he'll be able to go outside and drive his Bugatti out there. So what else did he get? But he had a great Christmas. He got $100 what is it called, Fortnite card. And he got, how big is your TV? 65 inch?
Yeah.
He got a 65 inch flat screen, and he has a TV stand that stands up high, so his TV is going to be up high. I think that's the end of his gifts. So Dakota wanted me to show you all one of his fidget spinners. I turned the light out a little bit so you can see, but they're really neat. We wanted to give him things that he can play with when he's just like laying in a bed, or, you know, he has nothing to do, but they're really cool in the dark, you know. So that's another thing. I feel like he really enjoyed his Christmas. Turn that light back on, Dakota. And also, so everyone is wondering how I'm feeling after the fall and what happened. Did I go to the hospital and all that crazy stuff? Well, let's talk about it. So my husband did order the things to put onto our steps. Okay, so when he puts those on the steps, I'm actually going to do a video showing you all what we put on the steps, how it looks, and you know, how it works to prevent us from falling. Because like I told you all, I fell down the steps, and not only did I fall down the steps, but Polo fell down the steps as well. So we really need to get that fixed. So that will be getting fixed like this week sometime. How am I feeling? So for the first, I want to say for the first day, I was my whole body was in pain. My whole body, like my tailbone, my arms, my finger, my feet, everything was hurting me. The second day, I was in even more pain, which was Christmas. And as of right now, if you guys ask me what was my pain level, I don't have any pain. I don't have any pain. Now, I can say my feet are a little achy, but not even enough to take a Tylenol for it. So I thank God from the bottom of my heart that God and his angels were right there to catch me and, you know, and keep me safe to where I didn't break any bones. I didn't sprain anything, and like I said, more than anything, I thank our Lord and Savior for making sure that I didn't hit my head. So I'm not in any pain. I didn't go to the hospital, and I'm doing well after the fall. We're going to fix the steps, and you know, that makes me feel better because I want to be able to, excuse me, I want to be able to walk down the steps without having, you know, like house shoes on, because I like to wear house shoes. But more than anything, I like to wear socks around the house. Like I'm nice and cozy in my socks. And then I have some house shoes that kind of look like socks. They just have like wool in the inside of them. But that's what I'm more comfortable with. I don't want to feel like I have to put shoes on to walk down those steps. They're beautiful steps, but we are going to fix that. There were so many people that was worried about my health and praying for me and things like that, and I totally thank you all so much. Like I said, from the bottom of my heart, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And I wish each and every one of you a very merry, happy New Year. We're going to have a great New Year this year. You hear me, guys? Oh, question. What is you guys' New Year's resolution? I know. Everybody's going to tell me losing weight. Everybody's going to say losing weight. Like the world says that. I have a New Year's resolution, and I feel like I want to tell you guys, but I also feel like I want to keep it a secret until the new year. So what I'll do is I'll keep it a secret, and then on New Year's, I'll tell you guys my New Year's resolution. And this New Year's resolution, I can't even say it right. This New Year's resolution, I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to follow through with it. And I'm very excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let me get some water. But that's all I really have to say. I will be doing another video because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. So you all make sure you have your notification bells on, okay? Because when I give the details on my giveaway, you want to hear the details so you could possibly be a winner. The last giveaway that I did, I didn't tell anybody. I didn't announce it. I just picked people that we felt like were, you know, were big subscribers. And what I mean by big is they always commented. They always watched every video. We picked those people. We messaged those people. We got their money out to them. So I don't know how we're going to do it when we do this giveaway, but I will do a video on it letting you guys know how the giveaway is going to go. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. And as always, God bless you all. Thank you all for watching. Good night.